Linking your bank account to Wallabag can help streamline your financial management. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Wallabag account. Visit the Wallabag website and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Log into your Wallabag account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the interface. Step 3. Locate bank account linking option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Click on the option to link a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details such as the account number, routing number, and any other required information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or a notification to finalize the linking process. Now you're ready to use Wallabag with your bank account linked. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances more effectively.